Number 3, your government supports you. We took a hydrogen kit, the old ones, and spent 8 years to make it right, develop it so it would interface with motor correctly on a shoestring budget. We knew it would work. We knew it was possible at Fuel Genie Systems. Why didn't the government do it? The government has infinite pockets. The government could see the old hydrogen kits back in the year 2000. The government surely knew that they would not work properly on a motor. The government could figure it out. They have deep pockets. We did it on a shoestring budget. So what's going on there? Ask yourself. So this leads to myth number 4 and possible proof or some real interesting stuff that your governments are not what you think. So they don't want you to have a kit that works. They don't want money in your pocket. They keep taking a little bit out here and a little bit out there. We can show you that proof too. It's a little bit controversial. It may not be for our channel, but when you see it, then it might give rise to the fact that, the government doesn't want you to save money. The government doesn't want you to have our kit. The government doesn't want you to have a gas car. The government wants your funds to shrink and to prices to rise. And they just seem to set it up, don't they? So it might all make sense, but yeah, I'm seeing our hydrogen kits here and the fact that you have had the opinion of them soured incorrectly has a big thing to do with it all, and the government. So stay tuned for myth number 4. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.